Whoever is watching this.
And here it goes. Beautiful!
Hi and a very good afternoon. I, Paramneet Singh of Class 8. I am here to show you the project which I have made, Little White Tornado. We have always thought that the tornadoes are the destructive side of nature as they destroy millions of things. But have you ever thought this way, that we can make our own? If you have a science taste like me or want to know how it's made, then stick together. To make it, you just need a wooden box, some incense sticks, a computer fan, a battery, and some transparent plastic sheet. Let me show you how it works. Please look inside the box. Can you see it? The computer fan is mounted upside down so that when it's turned on, it sucks the air outside the box. The 4 slots which I have made in the box suck the air out from the atmosphere into the box, thus creating this tornado. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Agamdeep Singh. Good morning, my name is Nikhil. And today we the students of class 8 are going to show you our project known as biofuels, or also we can call it biodiesel. Biofuel is a fuel from living or dead biological material. It is different from long dead biological material. Fuels that most of the cars use, petroleum diesel fuel. So this biofuel has 50% less CO2 emissions than every biofuel has. So the products we use are sodium hydroxide, methanol, and this is their mixture known as sodium methoxide. We mix sodium methoxide and our used cooking oil and then just left it for 8 hours. So the product obtained was our biodiesel, and this is its washing process. The layer on the top are the impurities, and the layer on the bottom is the pure biodiesel which can be used in the current diesel engine cars. And so when it is very beneficial for our environment and can be used in our future when every coal or petroleum source is finished. Thank you.
And my friend. My name is Purva. My name is Mansha. Today we are going to tell you about trash toys. These are my trash toys. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is going on, and as we reuse trash, more we contribute to that. These all trash toys are idea I have taken from net by a famous trash toy maker, Arvind Gupta. He is an IIT engineer, and I was very fascinated, and so I decided to make these trash toys. My first trash toy is this. We need a trash bottle, a balloon and pipe, and some MC. If you do not have MC, then you can also take a bottle, tear a hole in it, and then fix a straw in it and paste some MC on it. Then take a bottle and on the top of the bottle fix a balloon and then inhale. The balloon has then fill some water in it. Then take a cap and tear a hole in it and then fix water. As we release the air, water will come out. Now my next bottle fountain is this, in which we need a bottle, some M-seal or a straw, and a straw. We need a balloon, blow some air in it, and till that I will fill some water in it. And then fix the balloon on the top of the bottle. See, the bottle fountain will start. My next bottle fountain is this, in which we need 2 bottles and some M-Seal and a mount cord. Take 2 bottles and tear a hole at the top and in the end, and paste some M-Seal on the bottom and the top and put a straw in it. Then open the cap of the bottle put some water in it. Then upside down the project. And then take a bowl filled with water. As the bowl will empty, the water bottle fountain will start. These were my trash toys.
And today I'm going to show solar energy. First, the question is that what is solar energy? It is heat and light absorbed by the sun. Here I have 2 models to show you about solar energy. One is solar oven and second is solar water heater. In this solar oven I have used silver sheets, plastic sheet, cardboard box and some black chart paper. I have used this silver sheet so that the sunlight can reflect and go inside this box through this plastic sheet. I have used this no UV rays can enter to this box and heat doesn't escape. In this solar oven I have used 2 bottles, 1 pipe, M-Seal, a plastic sheet of black color, sand and gravel. What you have to do is to heat the water. Simply just pick up this bottle and put it over here. And the water will get heated automatically in 2 to 3 hours. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, Namaste. My name is Arneet. My name is Paldeep. We are here to show a science experiment.
His name is Slava in a cup.
So here we start. First we will take a cup
And I will pour some water in it.
Now I will pour some red color.
Now I will put some Nemo. See, it's working.
It's like a lava.
The bubbles are coming up.
Do you know why it's happening this?
Because Eno converts carbonate into carbon dioxide, then the bubbles are coming up.
Yes, you're right. Thank you for watching it. Good morning. My name is Ashima and now we are going to show you the magic of foamy fountain. For this, we need hydrogen peroxide, liquid food coloring, liquid washing dish and dry yeast. So what we have to do is to mix hydrogen peroxide into the plastic bottle and liquid washing dish and liquid food coloring. And in a separate cup, we have to mix warm water along with yeast and combine it. So what will happen is this. This is the magic of foamy fountain, and this is special. Foam is special because each tiny foam bubble is mixed with oxygen, filled with oxygen, and yeast acted as a catalyst. This is and if you can notice, bottle is becoming warm. This is because of exothermic reaction. That means heat is created out, not only foam but also heat. And this is also sometimes called elephant's toothpaste because it looks same as toothpaste coming out from it. But don't